Hello, I'm back. I'm hoping you are too. So, this one video is about using Aspen to send an email to the whole team of teachers attached to any student on your team. I know many of you do use the email address ASF6A, for example, for all the 6A teachers. So, that would basically go to the 14 teachers plus the special educator attached to a team, and not the elective teachers that are attached to any student. So this is an easier way to actually look up a student's schedule and send an email directly from Aspen to all of the team teachers. We use this a lot for having RTI meetings and sending a quick email to all the teachers. Or when we do a schedule change, Aspen is a really kind of a easy way that we utilize in our smaller meetings, and I hope that you find this useful. So for this, you're gonna go to Student Top tab. There we go. We are going to select the student we wanted to send an email about. So show selected. Now left tab schedule. If you click on it, you're going to see Zach Allen's entire schedule for T1. You can do T2. So that would change the elective teachers or full year. And that shows you what the student has trimester 1, 2, and 3. So to send an email to the whole entire teacher population of attached to this one student, it's better to just do it by trimester, because really the trimester 2 teachers don't have any idea about who the student is, what his needs are, and really the email might not be relevant to them. So do options, send email, and then voila, you can see all of the team teachers attached to that student right here. So instead of searching for them, looking at the schedule. Now the thing is, unfortunately, this still shows the teachers that are not attached. So it's teachers for the whole full year that you can see here listed. So right here, I know Miss Carlu is one of them, and the other teacher is Miss Sokosha. So I'm going to keep Carlu and Sokosha here, and I'm going to get rid of the teachers that are not really attached to the student at the moment. And so the team teachers are there. And if you can see here, Mr. Stico is attached to them for win, so I'm going to keep him in there. And then you can send an email to all the teachers. So hello everyone. Now this is very important in your subject or your subject or your body of your email. You have to somehow identify the student that you're sending an email about, because it doesn't say Zach Allen's emails on the email. So I would usually do ZA, and then in the body of your email say this is an email regarding Zach Allen's schedule, So make sure that you identify the student somehow, both in the body of the email and also the subject line. And then sign it, your name, and press send, and you are good to go. I hope this is helpful. I know we find it very helpful when we are doing the meeting notices. So again, schedule, site tab, options, send email. Unselect the teachers that are not relevant to the schedule. You can move this window around to see the kid's schedule underneath. It does take a while for you to utilize this function, but once you do, you never go back. Is that bad to say? I just did. Oopsie. All right, so I'm going to X out of here. I'm going to go to student list. And of course, I'm going to just see Zach Allen. So I'm going to go to, now this time I'm not going to make a mistake, students in my classes, and I have the whole team back. Hope that was helpful. I'm going to maybe do one more to show you how to get to the RTI plans. Promise, that's the last one. But I'm excited. I hope you are too. I know this is tough, and I know that great book by itself is a beast, but at least these functionalities that we can all use, maybe if you do it a couple of times, would save you some time. I'm going to go back to Pages again, and I'm going to come back for the RTI. I hope everybody found these few videos that I did useful. I feel like I'm talking like my son, who does a lot of YouTube videos. And subscribe below if you like this. Kidding. Alright, sorry, that wasn't funny. Have a good night, everyone.